Hi guys, it's Pink Puff Heart here, and this is literally after the first video, so don't judge. We was really bored, and so it's just being an idiot right now, and Paige is just acting normal. So yeah. So what we're gonna do? We're not gonna do the challenge that she selected because it's boring. It'll take a lot of
This
time.
challenge is good. Guys, comment down below if you think this challenge is good. Trying to get 100 challenges. No, trying to get 100 trains. You know?
Oh, but silence.
Oh, I know what to do. Everyone, follow me.
Okay, let's
Teleport to me. Teleport. Now, some of you who play Animal Jam will know where I'm going with this, maybe.
Yeah, and like we're just like behind you. And
Hurry up, Talisha!
He's like, Fiona, don't love me.
Come on. Follow.
I'm going.
Up here. We're gonna do this game. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, join. Yeah, we just want to make sure that we're in the same game.
Are we all in the same game?
I don't know. We'll have to see now. If we're not, then we'll quit and rejoin until we're all in the same game. Mine, I'm still gonna do what I'm given because I don't wanna.
I've got to dress my best. Right, dress best.
What do you have to dress like?
You just have to.
Okay, that's quite. Talisha, what do you have to dress up as?
Anything. I don't know. Waiting for the next round.
Oh, and that means we're in separate games. I'm waiting to see Paige Poo.
I got to dress up as like a school girl.
Oh, I'm
I
in
thought
one.
dress up as.
I have to dress up as a ninja.
Where does it tell you?
Hell yeah!
Like, oh yeah.
Oh, I got 3 votes, suckers! I find this quite amusing.
Guys, and if you need to talk to
Oh yeah, and guys, sorry for the buzzing noise in the background. I know it's really annoying, but
New 3, dress up as most mysterious. So I got a mysterious. With
I'm
that
gonna
button.
avoid this because I can. I'm gonna basically be the angel of God. It's good enough for me. So guys, I think we might be doing a longer video today, or this one.
Like 20 minutes or something.
No, 15. Just because we're really bored. We're bored out of our minds, aren't we, girls?
Yeah.
Yep.
And I'm just gonna be.
I'm most mysterious. I'm gonna vote.
My throat hurts.
And now the winners are. First place, second. Hey, guys.
Don't blame on sunshine. If any of you remember the song, then you're a proper lad.
Second. I came second. Guys, I came second. How great. Right. Dress up the cleanest.
Why the hell do I always forget what colour I am? Hey, look at that, what I'm done. Because I can't even remember my own colour, let alone name. It's good enough. Oh my god, I only have 20 seconds. I gotta be a unicorn.
You got
I gotta be a unicorn. Because I don't really know why. But I'm gonna party with the best. Sleeping all the rides. I don't even know what I am. Talking about it.
Everyone, Fee, just so you know, everyone's gonna hear your voice.
Yeah.
Everyone around the world.
Not in the world, but everyone who actually likes me. Which are my friends.
I like you.
I know.
By the way, I subscribed you and
I
I
know.
liked you. Our video.
Hell yeah!
It'll take me a minute to get something.
Guys, first world problems, they're real things.
Guys, this game.
No, girls, we're talking about first world problems. They're a thing,
Yeah,
and
this game.
they cause lives. They cause lives. I
And
cry every
everyone
time.
who is on my screen, don't forget to.
And guys, another thing, you know, Emma, she was in last Moon video.
Yeah.
I think she'll be doing this, like, one of these as well.
Yeah, with us as well. So we'll be doing that as soon as we can. But we might we'll just be doing these whenever we have free time. We might be doing like 3 in a row. And like we might do another one after this. Who knows? Once
Yeah.
I've uploaded this.
But we do have to be careful how many.
Like, and
we
I've
do.
already got a like on the video that I posted about 10 minutes ago.
I know, it's 2 likes.
I know, so
Yeah, I just got a guess on this thing and then I didn't like it.
so
There we go.
I wish I could like do YouTube videos all night.
I dressed up as a beautiful butterfly, like Fionn said. I think Papa wants to be when she's older. A beautiful butterfly.
actually, that was just a joke. I want to be a scientist or a YouTuber.
Yeah, you
Wherever
want to be
comes-
both, Fee. You want to be a beautiful butterfly and...
Yeah, if I can't be neither of those, then I will be a beautiful butterfly.
Yeah.
And like they gotta accept me. Yo ho ho! It's a pirate like me.
Guys, I'm gonna go and do some trades or some...
Oh, and guys, if you're wondering what the red is, it's supposed to be a little bit of blood from when I fight. I don't know. It's supposed to... Pirate symbols.
Everyone who is on my video, if you're bored, then don't like it.
Well, guys, we're probably gonna be just doing random stuff. You know, like you might like it, you might not, but haters be tripping kind of. So yeah.
Yeah. Oh, hey, Paige.
Where?
Behind you.
Outside.
Where's Fionn?
She's still in the game.
I'll quit after this one. Don't worry. No, literally, I'm right in the middle of something.
Paige,
Yeah.
wanna trade? Wanna trade something?
Yeah.
As long as it's good.
Why am I never wanted on these? No one likes me, it turns out. Anyway, let's go. Oh, and guys, I have a ton of gems to spend, as you can see, as the other girls can't. Oh, Talisha didn't win. Talisha didn't win.
I know, I came second though.
There's me and Paige winning, and then there's you. I cry every
I got
time.
one of those, you dumb nut.
Oh well.
I said
Well,
no.
I'm going to a shop specifically meant for people.
Yeah, see, where's the shop?
You have to teleport to me. It's a diamond shop.
Darling.
Because I've quite a lot of diamonds to spend, as you can see from up there, guys.
I wanna see. I wanna see.
I'm getting it.
Oh, you're in the diamond shop. Fee, why did you buy, why did you buy the new? Oh my god, what was it called? It's for men. Right, click the little click the massive ornament thing.
Well, this one
Yeah,
with the article on it.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then the new one, I would buy that because it's cheaper.
Yeah, I don't want it. Anyway, I gotta wait 2 weeks to get my stuff back now because I just bought something that's awesome. Tisha, come to my den. It's awesome.
Yay! Where are you? Oh, I got it.
It's awesome and it's so cute. And these are some of the rarest plushies to get.
Is it?
Yeah, that's why I got it. Okay, go up to my games room.
Okay.
So basically, just follow me, Talish.
Okay. This page.
Oh no. Come on, Talish.
Up two.
God damn it, Talish.
I'm doing
God
something.
damn it. Y'all like to.
I'm not waiting. Come on.
Go in the arcade.
See, Talish, up here's my games room.
Oh my god.
I'm slowly but surely getting every
Let's
game.
play this game.
You can play any game. Now I'm gonna go get some more games for my game room.
Yeah.
Because I don't have to keep on going to the arcade to do it. So that's why. Got it. I don't want it. Don't really want it. And guys, I'm only getting the ones I actually want. So don't judge.
Yeah, don't judge Fia. I mean Pink Puff Out.
I don't mind if you say my name, Talish.
Okay.
And like
Yeah.
I'm saying yours all the time.
I know. Don't say my full name.
I know your full name, Talish. Let's just say her last name is the same as a bus company. Go
Yeah.
figure.
Same as oh,
That was like the most useless, helpful advice ever, but still.
it's gonna. At least
Yeah, just note that we're quite young, so we won't really make much logic.
Fia, when are you gonna do another Minecraft video then?
As soon as I can, because right now I literally cannot.
I got a prezzo!
Yeah, Talisha,
Yeah?
this is slowly filling up my games room.
Guys, if you're on my thing.
I'm taking a drink. Yeah, guys, I only bought this because it's a Fox plushie.
Fionn, where's your bedroom? Exactly.
Oh my gosh, follow me.
Fionn, you haven't got a bedroom?
Follow me!
I
Sorry
shall.
if that just burst some of your ears.
Over here's your bedroom. Oh my god, I didn't even know there was a secret room up here. Rainbow? You have a flipping rainbow?
It's a slide.
Are you serious?
Yeah, this is like my hidden place. And then as soon as I go down this slide, I get to see all my pets.
That's awesome.
Come see all my pets, Talish.
I'm going down the slide. Make my way down to you.
Look at all my pets.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, guys, we will do preparing for
Look, I'm the
videos.
biggest pet ever.
So yeah, guys, we will do preparing off camera as well as on camera. So you might miss some footage that's not really that important.
Yeah, and sometimes, Fionn, you should do a face cam.
Well, we might do just a chat log where I show my face and just us Skype in, just chat log.
Yeah.
Wait, let me check the time. Oh my gosh. Okay, Talisha, get back in our orders. Quick,
Okay.
because it's nearly time to end the video. Yeah, guys, we don't want to be doing these for too long because we don't want to bore the heck out of people. Okay, Talisha, quick, get back on your gems.
What, yeah.
And sadly, guys, that's all we have time for today. And we will see you in the next one.